Machine placement information for the Cafitesse Quantum Touch series. This instructional video shows you how to prepare for placement, to ensure that your coffee machine operates safely, ergonomically and in accordance with current regulations. This starts with the preparation of the intended location and existing connections. The Quantum Touch coffee equipment has no special requirements regarding connections. Any electrical or water supply adaptation can also be made by an installation specialist. The water supply. We recommend a standard cold water line with a minimum diameter of 15 mm with stop valve and a controllable non-return valve. The non-return valve is an additional backflow protection in your water line that is mandatory in various countries when connecting beverage equipment. The required dynamic water pressure is at least 1 bar, with a volume capacity of 10 liters per minute. The static pressure is a max 8 bar non-shock. The water connection point is a 1/2-inch wall plate or washing machine tap with air inlet. The water supply hose can be connected to the coffee machine up to a distance of 1.5 meters. The electricity supply. The machine operates on a voltage of 230 volts, 50-60 Hz, and can be connected to an earthed power outlet conform local regulations. The power cord can be connected up to a distance of 1.5 meters. For safety reasons, the distance to the water connection point is at least 30 centimeters, and the power outlet is not located below the water connection point. Furthermore, the plug must always be freely accessible and the use of extension cords is not recommended. The rated energy consumption during heating is 3,500 watts. We recommend connecting the equipment to a separate 16-amp circuit breaker. If you opt for a 3-phase connection for extra capacity, the machine can be connected to ACEE or Perilex outlet in accordance with your local regulations. The rated power consumption is 8,200 watts. The location. The machine can be placed on a furniture tabletop or cabinet that is stable and sufficiently robust to support the weight of the equipment. The machine weighs approximately 55 kilograms in operation. The coffee machine is intended for indoor locations with a temperature between 1 and 32 degrees Celsius and a relative humidity of maximum 80%. The Quantum Touch is 69 centimeters high, 29 centimeters wide and 54 centimeters deep. Additional space is required to open the door. The height of the machine with the door fully opened is 92 centimeters. For service and maintenance is a total height required of 110 centimeters and 15 centimeters on either side of the machine. The distance from the equipment to the back wall is at least 5 centimeters for optimal ventilation. Do you have any questions about the intended location or connections? Please reach out to your local Jacobs Douwe Egberts help desk for advice. Thank you for your attention.